Hi, in this video for the Sagem Freesat HD receiver, we're going to show you how you can do a factory reset and change the default region on the box. So to do this, all you have to do is simply go into the menu and arrow up as far as receiver settings. Press the OK button. It'll ask you for your parental code, and if you remember during the installation process you had to set up a parental code, and the example I used was just setting it up as 2222, but it could be whatever you entered yourself. Okay, so all you have to do at that point is go to factory reset, press the OK button, enter your parental code, and it'll ask you, are you absolutely sure you want to do this? So we're going to press OK to confirm. So in a number of seconds then it should come back at the first time installation screen. So what we want to do then is simply press the OK button for the next step. So it's going to try and detect Freesat signal, so that'll take maybe 10 or 15 seconds. So it says it has been correctly done. So at this point we want to enter the new postcode. So I'm just going to say, for example, I want to set it as a London postcode. So I'll get the likes of BBC London or ITV London, things like this. So what I'm going to do is simply use the remote control. The number buttons have letters over them, and if you're familiar with, you know, texting on a mobile phone, it's very similar. So I'm going to set it up here, and the code I'm going to use is S W 1 9 3 R and Q. Okay, I'm going to press the OK button then to confirm this, and it comes back and says my postcode is valid. Press OK for the next step, which I will. And again, it's going to ask me to enter a parental code. You can change some of the other settings there if you want, the language, the HDMI resolution, TV screen, whatever you want, but I'm just going to set the parental code as 2222. So you enter that twice, press OK for the next step, and then it just goes through and does a very quick scan of the Freesat channels, and when that's finished then all your Freesat channels will be loaded. And basically what you'll have at that point then is you'll have reset the box and you'll have changed the default region, and in this case I'll have set it to London as my default region. But you know, most people in Ireland will probably want to just use the Northern Irish region, and I've shown that in another video. The code for that would be BT11AA, and that will give you the likes of BBC Northern Ireland and UTV and stuff like that. So we press OK to go to TV, and there you can see now it's BBC One London. So that's basically in a nutshell how you can perform a factory reset on your Sagem HD receiver and change the default region.